सगोदोहनमात्रं हि गृहेषु गृहमेधिनाम् आवेक्षते महाभागस्तीर्थीकुर्वंस्तदाश्रमम्. This shloka describes the activities of Sukadeva Goswami. Sukadeva Goswami is a great devotee of the Supreme Personality of Godhead Krishna, and he is the immortal speaker of Srimad Bhagavatam. He is the son of that illustrious author Vyasadeva. So Sukadeva Goswami is so renounced that he wouldn't stay in front of a house for a long time. So this shloka describes Sa Godohana Matram Hi Griheshu Grihamedhinam. So Godohana Matram Hi. Godohana means the time that is required to milk a cow. So the cowhead people or the householders who maintain cows, they milk cows. Morning or evening they will milk the cows. So it may take few minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever time it may take. Only that much time Sukadeva Goswami would stay in front of a house. He wouldn't stay for a longer time. Because Sukadeva Goswami is so renounced that he would just sit there in front of a house, just observing how the cow is being milked, and he wouldn't stay for a longer time because he has absolutely no interest in the opulence or the grandeur of that householder's household facilities. Right? Avekshate mahabhagas tirthi kurvam stadashrayam. So actually, why does he stay even for that much time? So if he is so renounced, he should not even go to someone else's house only. But why would he stay there? So he would stay there in someone else's house, in front of someone else's house, only to purify them. So by his presence, by his auspicious presence, he wants to sanctify the houses of those people. That's the purpose for which he stays. So otherwise he has no interest there. So this is the nature of pure devotees. So even several other shlokas of Srimad Bhagavatam also say that Mahad Vichalanam Dronam Grihinam Dena Chetasam. So many times people who are so engrossed and absorbed in their household activities and materialistic duties, they may not get time to focus on spiritual life. They may not be able to absorb themselves in Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnoha Smaranam and all that. So some devotees who are staying in their houses also are dedicated so much in the process of devotional service where some people may not be able to do so. We have examples of exalted householders like Parikshit Maharaj, Yudhishthir Maharaj, Bharat Maharaj, Ambarish Maharaj. So these are all great devotees. Dhruva Maharaj, while performing their household duties and the responsibilities as rulers of kingdoms, they are also dedicated in the practice of devotional service. But some people may not be able to do so. Now, the point here is when sadhus like Sukadeva Goswami or Garga Muni or any other great devotees visit the houses of householders, that is only for the purpose of enlightening them in spiritual knowledge. That is only for the purpose of inspiring them in spiritual life. So that is only to sanctify their houses and make their houses very auspicious by the presence of a pure devotee who carries the Supreme Lord within their hearts. Tirthi kurvam stadashramam. So Tirthi kurvams, to sanctify that place, to make that place holy, Sukadeva Goswami would stay in front of a house. He is so renounced. So otherwise there is, on the part of a sadhu, there is no expectation from the opulence of a householder's life, householder's house, or there is no inclination to enjoy the facilities in that house. It is only to help them. It is only to purify them or sanctify their homes and enlighten them in spiritual knowledge. Hare Krishna.
For more such devotional programs, please watch Hare Krishna television. To get this channel, please contact your cable or DTH operator. For more information, please call 8767 845 845.